Hey, what's up guys? This is Mo from MobileTrans, a professional data solutions provider. I've seen a lot of tutorials on the topic of transferring WhatsApp data from iOS to Android. It basically doesn't really work, but now I have a really good method to show you how to transfer your data with just one click. First of all, you gotta understand, you can only back up WhatsApp data to iCloud in an iPhone, and you can only back up WhatsApp data to Google Drive from Android. But there's no way to transfer any of that data from iCloud to Google Drive with just the WhatsApp features. But now there's a simple and quick way to do just that by using MobileTrans. It is a unique third-party app that is super user-friendly, even a baby can use it. The only thing you'll need is a computer. Both Mac and Windows work really well on this. I have a Mac, so let's get started. First of all, download MobileTrans on their official website. I'll leave the link in the description. Here's what it would look like. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. There we go. Start it and click Transfer WhatsApp Messages. Now connect both your iPhone and your Android on the computer. Just follow the instructions in the pop-up window. It'll ask you to put in your password and click Trust. Just keep in mind that you might need to debug your Android device. Now choose whatever you want in here and click on Start. Keep in mind, one is the source, one is the destination. So for example, if you're transferring from Android to iPhone, then you just need to change this to source and this is destination. So meaning I'm transferring data from my Google Pixel 4 XL to my iPhone 6s. Then you can click on Start. Please confirm whether to keep the existing WhatsApp data on the target. Yes. Meaning, do you want to cut and paste or do you want to copy and paste? I would rather keep it on both devices. Just follow the instructions and all you have to do is just sit back and wait. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. And that's it guys, I'm looking at my iPhone now and everything is here from messages to groups to videos to photos. All of my data has been transferred quick and easy. For those of you who were desperate to transfer your WhatsApp data, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like it, click the subscribe button for more tech tips, or you can share this video with your friends. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll help you solve them. I'm Mo, signing out.